Guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be opening The Walking Dead AMC dog tags. There's one in each thing, and so I already have one. It's a zombie. If you can see it. Wait, I'm gonna give him a light. It's a zombie. So I'm gonna be opening the next one. So here we go. Okay. So here it is. Sorry, there's horrible lighting in here. So I don't have the light on. Wait, I'll go turn it on. There we go. Better. Okay. So anyway, you can't even open it. Okay, so okay, there's a tiny hole.
We've made a little tribe. It's a new tribe. It's just when you look after each other, no matter what. So I'm just really gonna miss her.
It tastes like Play-Doh. Don't ask why I know what Play-Doh tastes like. Second grade. Okay, so anyway. Finally got it open. Okay, so it always comes with like one of these little clip things, and it's not for climbing. I don't know what it's for though. But and then it comes with the card packs. 23 of 24. It's a checklist. So this one is just some zombies. And okay, now let's get to the dog tag and yeah, I got one of the characters. Main character. Okay, so let's see.
I'm all about tribe. My family, my friends, they're my tribe, and I live to serve my tribe.
So it comes with one dog tag, one sticker, and one D-ring per pack. So and here would be the stickers. Yes. Oh wait, this is the checklist. So this is all the ones that you can get. So and then the other side. So
which is often really uncomfortable,
yeah,
and sometimes a bit
cool. So what I already got is Walker number 4. And open up this one, see what I got. Now some of the characters. And I got Rick Grimes right here. I got Rick. It's cool. So that's 3 of 12. This is season 6, and this one is season 5. Season 5 and season 6. So, now we got 2 dog tags. There we go. It's cool. And it's cool because now it also printed The Walking Dead on it. So it's cool. Anyway, guys, that's all I got for you guys today. It's a little opening. So, see you guys on the flip side. Bye!